Welcome to the Melon Pie Project. This Raspberry Pi setup was created by Kenneth Lobenberg, aka Stwizard, and is designed to look like a watermelon. Gone are the days of spoiling watermelon and sticky hands. This melon pie is made to last. It's perfect for a STEM classroom setting where students can play retro games without the need for a keyboard or mouse. The Melon Pi starts with a Raspberry Pi 4, but you can use other models. All you need is the right housing and a few finishing touches. Lobenberg used a resin printer to give the Melon Pi a professional finish. It's also important to note that you'll want a wireless 8-bit light controller for input, but you can substitute any compatible USB or wireless controller. To make card swapping easier, Lobenberg also included an SD card extender. The board is running the fabulous RetroPie OS, but it's possible to switch it out for any OS that you please. For this particular project, it has proven to be a great choice since students can boot directly into the gaming interface and start playing. Lobenberg created a unique animated splash screen to give the Melon Pi its own extra touch, but making a custom splash screen is simpler than it looks. Here at our website, you can find a tutorial to get you started. Lobenberg has been generous enough to provide the entire parts list of the Melon Pi project, in case you want to give it a go yourself. We recommend you check out the project's Reddit thread to learn more. This is the perfect project for any Raspberry Pi enthusiast. With the Melon Pi, you can create a retro gaming setup with a twist that'll bring out your inner artist. So don't just settle for housing your Pi in